Hey, what's up guys, it's iDeviceForever here. And you guys finally managed to hit 50 likes. And so here it is, the top 5 Apple Watch games part 2. On a serious note though, thanks a lot for the likes guys. I might be pushing it, but how about we hit 150 likes for a part 3? Anyway, all the games mentioned in this video are free and the links are in the description down below. And no, this video is not sponsored. And now, let's jump right into the video. So first up, we have a Vegas bowling light for the Apple Watch. Why go to the bowling alley when you can just play on your watch? Am I right? So anyway, Vegas bowling is actually a pretty fun game to play. The same rules of bowling apply here as well. You can just take turns playing with your friend, or you can challenge a computer. There's a paid version of it as well, but the free version does the job just fine. Coming in at number 2 is Dare the Monkey Go Bananas. Tell you one thing about this game, it is super addictive. Don't know why, but the game gives me the arcade Sonic the Hedgehog vibes. You just keep moving ahead, dodging the obstacles and collecting coins and bananas. This game is definitely not one to miss. Next up, Bubblegum Hero. The goal of this game is to make the right bubblegum balloon. Just tap to blow the balloon and stop when it's the right size. Not too small or it'll flop, and not too large or it'll blast on your face. The game is available for your iPhone as well, and it's just as fun with more characters and so on. Alright, another game with balloons in it. This one's called Break the Balloons Ghost Town. Just replace the bird in Flappy Bird with a ghost and the obstacles with cats, and you have this game. You basically have to hit all the balloons which drops the cats. The more balloons you hit, the more points you gain. And this actually leads to a pretty addicting experience. And last but not the least is Micropolis, the Idle City. Who knew you could have a city simulator game on your watch? You know the drill. Build houses, upgrade them, earn money, and change your own city. This game is really fun to kill time, and I have to give a shout out for the graphics of this game on the watch. It's awesome. Well, there you have it guys. Those were the top 5 games for the Apple Watch. If you want to see a part 3, get this video to 150 likes. Well, that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.